Well, hello there. Good evening, and thank you very much for joining us for tonight's weather report. My name is Mollen. Well, we still have rainy conditions across several places across the country, although we have seen a slight reduction, especially for areas within the Karamoja region as well as northern Uganda. But it looks like we'll have a continuation of those wet conditions across several places. Now, looking at our satellites, we still have those moist southeasterly winds that are coming in from the Indian Ocean towards the country. At the same time, we also have an advection of the Congo air mass that is mostly towards the western sector of the country. And these are the two systems that are bringing mostly rainy conditions for a lot of areas within the country. Now, tomorrow in the morning, we're expecting to start off with rainy conditions that will be across the Lake Victoria Basin, and much of Central will have a mix of clouds and sunshine. Now, looking at similar weather is forecast for western Uganda. We'll have a mix of clouds and sunshine as well. And we're also forecasting sunny intervals that will be for much of eastern Uganda as well as the eastern parts of Lake Victoria Basin. And also similar weather is forecast for northern Uganda as well as the Karamoja region. We shall be looking at upward sunshine blending in with clouds. Now, later in the afternoon, we do expect to have more rains across parts of Central as well as the Lake Victoria Basin. Quite a warm day as well. That will be at 28 degrees centigrade. Now, looking at western Uganda, we'll also be expecting those rains. Most of those will be accompanied by thunder showers. We're forecasting a warm day. Forecast temperatures will be at 29 degrees centigrade. Now, also rains are expected still across eastern Uganda. We'll see those temperatures again rising up to 29 degrees centigrade, and that will be a warm day for you out there. Now, even warmer than that for the Karamoja region, we shall see temperatures going up to 31 with a mix of clouds and sunshine, but rainy conditions are still forecast for northern Uganda, central north, as well as the West Nile part of the country. Moving over to some of the world cities that we have for you, we're forecasting sunny intervals that will be across Nairobi with temperatures going up to 28, and also cold weather is forecast for Washington with rainy conditions. Temperatures will be up to 17 degrees centigrade. Well, that brings us to the end of today's weather report, and we shall remember that it is brought to you by Uganda National Meteorological Authority. My name is Mollen. Have a good night.